Okay, so now for some more drawing videos. All right, the first one I want to do with you all is the pangolin. Boop. So we're gonna draw this little guy together. Ready? Okay, for our pangolin, we're gonna start with a big kind of oval in the middle. A little oval here for the head. And then let's put a line down here for where the feet are going to land. Curve for the tail. We'll do a couple lines for the feet. Okay, so we've got the most important things here now. Head, the body, markings for the legs and the tail. And then let's start connecting this. Okay, so this line in the front is going to be the leg that's closest to us. Curve it around. We'll curve this around. And then for this one, we're going to curve that around there so you won't see the whole thing. A little footy. All right, so we'll thicken up this leg too. Do another little footy. Okay, and now this is the top of the tail. Let's do the underside. So curve that around. Let's erase some of these lines so it's not too confusing. All right, let's give our little pangolin a face. So a round little nose, a round eye, a little curve, happy eye, a little eyebrow, and then let's do this. Curve that around, a little smile. There we go. Okay, so from here, the pangolin is going to get its scales, so like its armor that it puts on over it. So on the body, they're going to be bigger, and then as we get into the legs, they're going to be smaller. So this is very similar to how you would draw fish scales. We're just going to try to overlap, so starting at the top, and these ones will overlap the next. Okay. There's a lot of scales to draw, so I'm going to speed up the video for you. Then on the next step, that's also going to go extra fast. I am going to draw over all my pencil lines with something darker. So for the purposes of this video, I'm using a Sharpie. It's a little too thick, honestly, and also permanent marker is not always everyone's first choice. If you are going to use it, make sure you get your parents' permission first, because it can stain and cause other issues. But a pen or fine tip marker, crayon, color pencil, any of those choices are good. Or you can just leave it as pencil. You can always draw over it darker. So normally when I'm drawing, I like to draw very lightly, and I think most artists do, with their pencil, not pressing down too hard. That way you can easily erase, as erasing is part of our process, right? So what I like about this is once I add all my marker lines, then I can go in and erase the pencil and then do whatever coloring I want. So I learned this technique mainly from drawing comics. So inking, getting rid of the pencil line underneath, but I really like it and I like working with ink. I hope you've enjoyed drawing this pangolin with me. I'll be sharing some more videos soon, so check back or set up the alert so you'll see. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hope to see you again next time.